science of circumology, right? The book is based on the science of circumology, if I gotta find it for a second. So the basis of the book is based on the science of circumology, to where you got to understand all perspectives intuitively. When you understand the schools of thoughts, when you're talking about Kemetic science, the Native American prophecies, Islam, uh, the Hebrew doctrine, and Freemasonry, Shrinery, Christianity, and Moorish science. So the basis of the book is that I have this book called the Tome of Makavia. Tome means book. Makavia is basically an amalgamation of books that was created by Dr. Malachi York, compiled together to where you have the secrets of the universe, which is the 999 galaxies of all the information that has the same technology as a Chronos Visor. We're going to get into that. So the purpose of the book is to understand everything in entertainment format, because I understand that we live in the age of instant gratification. So in order to blur the lines, in order to bridge the gap on generations to where the children can have an intuitive understanding about what's going on, what I'm doing is um, we're getting the information and we putting it in an audio book format, and eventually we're going to have physical copies once we get all the issues done. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen,